Hi there, Joe.
Hey there, Miss T. What's going on?
Well, we're out in the garden again, as usual. We're always in the garden. Love it.
The first video you shot was the most cold tolerant palm, which is the needle palm. This is the second most cold tolerant dwarf palm on the face of the earth. So these are called dwarf palmettos, or a bush palmetto, or the Latin name is Sabal minor, native to the southeastern United States, extending westward into McCurtain County, Oklahoma. They also grow in their habitat in Warren County, Arkansas, in the southwest corner of Arkansas, which we call the razorback Sabal minor. So they have a subterranean trunk. They have a nice kind of bluish-green costopalmate leaf, and they don't grow very big. I have seen really old ones with short trunks on them, but it is a dwarf palm, extremely frost tolerant. Another, like I say, king of the frost beater. And this far north, lots of heat. Put them in your hot spot when you're growing them in your garden. Full sun. Well-draining soil, but they do like adequate moisture. They actually grow in really wet areas where they're growing in their habitat, and a lot of areas in the south. But keep them watered well in the summertime. And once they're established, they don't really like to be transplanted from the ground. I don't think they like too much root disturbance. But from a pot, they're okay. So we have several in our garden. This is two of our Sabal minors here on the north end of Salt Spring Island in the southern Gulf Islands. These are growing in full sun. This one in the middle is a Mediterranean fan palm. We'll get into that another time. We have many of those in our garden as well. But anyway, if you can come across these at your local garden center, they're not so common in this area. A lot more common in the deep south are the Sabal.
It's got a couple.
Yeah, it's got one coming out. So Sabal minor here and a Sabal minor there, and we also have many other ones in our garden as well, smaller ones. So, all right, folks, thanks for watching, and try Sabal minor in your own garden.
Okay, thanks, Joe.
Welcome.